As history students, and welcome to the recording for the Week 7 quiz. I'll be reading the quiz questions to you along with the answer options. This particular quiz has a total of 8 questions, 2 points each, for a total of 16 points. Question 1. Which of the following issues challenged George Washington and the new nation during his presidency? Putting the nation's finances in order, choosing and sending ambassadors to Europe, struggling with obtaining respect for the presidency, or establishing a structure for the Congress. Question 2. Which of the following was not a precedent or a presidential first set by President George Washington? Establishing a group of advisors known as the Cabinet, created the political party system, left voluntarily after serving 2 terms, creating an unofficial 2-term limit, or adopting the title of Mr. President when addressed by others. Question number 3. What did Hamilton's financial plan accomplish? It created a process to eliminate state debt by having the federal government take it over and pay it off. It created a national bank, created a tariff to help the U.S. make money and increase the goods made in the U.S., all of the above. Question number 4. Hamilton and Jefferson frequently disagreed with one another, especially when it came to his financial policy and the creation of the Bank of the United States. What concept was at the center of this debate and was most responsible for causing the formation of 2 political parties? Tariffs on imported goods, delayed payment of pensions to soldiers who fought in the Continental Congress, the powers of the federal government provided in the Constitution, how states should enter the Union. Question number 5. What did Washington do in response to the Whiskey Rebellion when farmers in western Pennsylvania challenged the new federal government? Use the authority of the federal government to put down the rebellion, asked Thomas Jefferson to meet with the unhappy farmers to resolve the problem, called Congress into session, or encouraged citizens to buy the product. Number 6. Which of the following points did George Washington make in his farewell address? The United States should remain neutral, political parties are dangerous, federal unity is important, all of the above. Question number 7. The XYZ affair improved relations with France and led to a new military alliance with the Americans when they fought the British in the War of 1812. Was a diplomatic failure when the Americans refused to offer bribe money to French diplomats and resulted in increased tension between the U.S. and the French. Was a government conspiracy to make Adams look like a bad president? Was a political scandal involving Jefferson that attempted to remove Adams from power. Question number 8. Why were the Alien and Sedition Acts controversial and opposed by men like Jefferson and Madison? A. They taxed the states heavily and caused an economic depression. B. The Sedition Acts was seen as a violation of the First Amendment, free speech, and the Alien Acts as violating the Fifth and Sixth Amendments, the right to due process and a speedy trial. The President wrote the acts in secret and passed them without the consent of Congress. Or the last option, it stopped all immigration to the U.S., and Jefferson and Madison saw this as going against the democratic principles of the Constitution that the Constitution was based on. When you're done with your quiz, click Submit Quiz so that it is sent successfully in the gradebook to your instructor and you can receive a grade. Make sure that grade is showing up successfully, and if it is not, please be sure to contact your teacher. Good luck on your quiz.